Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. So this amazing book is from Amy, which is Amy's Colorful Creations. And this goes to Gold Glitter Girl. So she sent me a card. And here, look at this. It says hello. And there's these beautiful, it says, "Hi Jan, thank you so much for hosting the Halloween Altered Book Swap. I had fun creating my book. Have a great fall season. Amy, Amy's Colorful Creations." Look how pretty her handwriting is though. And then she put in here this beautiful little Halloween tag and this beautiful doily cut apart, which I appreciate. No, get back. Sorry. And then, so there is a card for, it's going to be, it says Swap Burner, but this is going to Gold Glitter Girl, which is Jen. She's got this beautiful trim, and let's talk about how gorgeous this cover is that she did. I love the gold. I need to buy me one of these markers. And there's, I think she said that she used, what was it? A scarf. But like, how pretty is this? And so pretty. So she has this beautiful front. So let's open this up. Love all the gold. So there's a pocket right here, and you can write here, Happy Halloween. I love this book. I love that it's small and it has a big spine. Great book that you used. So cute. Side pocket. Best ever. Again, love all the gold. So she does have a little paper clip on all of to hold the pockets where she put, and like, how smart was this? I love this idea, Amy. So instead of putting tabs, she cut out a hexagon, put it on the front and back to make tabs. How cute. So when it's inside, it has, it looks like a little tab, right? How cute is that? That is a super creative idea. Amazing. So there's a pocket here where she has a tag, and then one here. So cute. So I think all of, is it? Every one of them have a journaling card with that tab. Nice. It's so clean. Your work is amazing. She's got gold washi down the center, a side pocket, and I'm going to open up this one, but if they're all like the same, I'm probably... So yeah, she has these beautiful journaling cards in every one of the pockets, which is amazing. Because like, you could just write your sentiment in there, and then, hold on, I'm going to pull it back out. Write your sentiment in there, and then put your pictures on the pages. So there is a side tuck with a journaling card, a little ephemera piece, and a tag. And then on this side, there is, look how beautiful this is. The paper's gorgeous. Love the gold washi. She's got all kinds of goodies in this little bag. Let's open it up. Oh, there's all kinds of ephemera. That tag is adorable. Let me get that to go back in. Side pocket. Hey, Nerdy, turn that down, please. Robert, turn that TV down for me. Sorry, guys, about that. So there is a bottom pocket with a tag and a journaling spot. There is a belly band where she's got that beautiful doily and a journaling card. And then here, there's another one of those beautiful doilies and a place to journal. And then there is a side pocket and a diagonal side pocket. A tuck spot up here. Beautiful. Love the gold in here. So there is a pocket down here with a journaling card, some ephemera, and a tag. A top tuck where it has that beautiful doily and a journaling card. Oh, look, she put the doilies on here and these spiders. And look at the, oh, that's so pretty. And then there's a belly band with another one of those doilies and a journaling card. Here's a side tuck, a tag, and here is a tag, and there's some ephemera up in here. Love that you put eyes on them. That's so cute. So here is a side pocket, and there is a, I like that, a belly band. Love the jack-o'-lantern. Another one of the doilies, and a place to journal. So there's a belly band. I love that you put bling on their eyes and on the spider's body. Side pocket with a beautiful journaling card. Love this paper. So pretty. So there's this place. Look how cute. This was a good idea. Love that. So adorable. Belly band. Oh, look. I love all these. Is that a die cut? Beautiful paper. Side tuck with a tag. Oh, look how pretty this paper is. And there is Best Ever. So cute. It's a tuck spot. Love this. You did a really good job at the washi though. Handmade by Amy's Colorful Creation 2008, and she's got another one of these little pockets. I need to know where y'all getting these pockets. I know people say they get them at Target, but I don't. Need a broom? Vroom. So cute. So Amy did an amazing job. I will have all her information linked below. You guys go check out Amy's channel, and I will have this in the mail for Gold Glitter Girl. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks Amy for joining. Did a great job. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks guys. Bye.
That brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing